Aloha, and thank you for joining me. Today's painting is going to be on a quick little painting of a bird. Uh, we're doing Sumie ink, and I'm Ioli'i with the traveling brush, and I thank you for joining us today. First off, when you get your rice paper, make sure that it has two sides. One is really, really smooth, and the other is rather rough. And sometimes you have to like bend it back the other way and roll it so you kind of get it to lay straight. But I was a little short on time, so you want the rough side face up. Okay? I've already prepped my bowl, and I'm going to do a couple of quick strokes to show you how it's done. Wet your brush with water, pinch it out, roll the tip, just the tip. This one's a lot easier to see, the ink section compared to the water section. This is made with horsehair, and it's a Chinese brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a flying bird. Now with Sumie ink, you want, or this style of a Japanese or Chinese style ink painting, it's not a literal sense of what a bird looks like, it's an impression. So we're going to make some impression of wings in flight. Okay? And then I want to have a head. Okay? And then I need a body. And then we need a tail. Okay? A little bit more ink. The sad thing about ink painting is that once you put the ink down, it's pretty much there. There's no erasing it. And this one was too light, so I'm going to re-get that one in there. And of course we got the underarm of the bird here and here. I'm going to go back over where the head's at because I only lit it really lightly before. And I want it to show up. Of course I got like too much water on the brush for as tiny as I have my bird. And of course we got little feet here. So this is a bird in flight. It's got its beak. And add a little bit more color to the end of the feathers. Really lightly. Like a bird does. Stretching to the sky. Oops. Not going to get thicker because I messed it up. But that's okay. Every mess up has a reason. And now balances on the other one. It's over here. And so that it looks really, really, really tall, we're going to make it look like it's high above trees. Remember I was telling you about the brush laying it on its side? This was just a quick little tutorial to take and do a bird in flight. Okay. I thank you very much for being with us today with the traveling brush. and hope you find your wings and enjoy painting as much as I do. Mahalo and have a good day. Bye.